going to have a math necklace from now on in our classroom during math time. Okay? Every single person has one. And on this math necklace is something important. There are numbers because it's a math necklace. Now on these numbers, it's going to cross off, this is probably my extra one for Tyler, it's going to cross off what number you already have. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That number that's not crossed off, so I'll go, got 1, got 2, let me show you one. So on this one, 1 and 2 are crossed off. It means that this person already understands 1 and 2. They're going to work on 3s. Okay? And if they had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 crossed off, they'd be working on 6s or 7s. Depending on the last one. So the last one that's not crossed off on this person is 3. So that's the one that she's going to work on. So every day during math, you're going to have what we call tubbing. Okay? It's actually a really cool way of figuring out numbers. So let me show you what I mean by tubbing. These are going to be hung up in a better way than right now, but I'm just going to put them here for right this second so they're out of my way. But every group is going to have their necklace on a group. And I have one more hook I'll get at home tonight. Okay? So tubbing looks like this. In this box, people are going to be working on 3s, 4s, and 5s. No one's above 5 right now. Okay? So if you are a 3, because you're not checked off on your necklace, then you're going to grab the 3 box, and you're going to grab the 3 folder, which has 3 on it. I might make them bigger, but right now I'm just still thinking about it. And inside the 3 folder is going to be a sheet that you're going to use for your tubbing. So you're going to take one sheet. These look familiar right now, right? We've done these before. But in this one, it only has 3 in each row. Because you're going to be working on facts to build 3 till you memorize them. And then we'll do it on the 4s, and then we'll do it on the 5s, okay? You need to know your facts through 5 for kindergarten. So that's why we're starting this, so that we get them down really nicely. So this person's going to take one of these. They're going to take 3 of these, because they're working on what number? 3. And then they're going to take a white and a blue crayon. And I need to get some more white crayons. And they're going to go sit down somewhere quiet away from everyone. They're then going to do this with their colored dice. Now they're blue on one side. Here's the blue crayon. And they're white on another side. Here's the white crayon. Okay. Now watch. This is the way they're going to do it. Okay, I have 2 white, and I have 1 blue. So 2 white. How many circles am I going to color in? 2 that are white. Yes. So here we go. Right here. Okay, so here's 2. 1, 2. Are you listening? And then how many blue did I have? Just 1. Okay, so now I'm going to color my blue. So now I'm going to go with pencil. I'm going to do it with markers so you can see it. 2 white plus 1 blue equals how many altogether? 3. Okay. Then I'm going to do another one. I'm going to take my counters, watch how I spin them. Oh, I got 3 blues. So I'm going to say 3 blue. I'm going to color 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to say 3 blue plus how many white? 0 equals 3. Okay. Now I'm going to take my blues again. If you can't do that responsibly, my friend, I'll have to find a different video on her. A little bit back the way it was, please. I need it still. Thank you. Now I'm going to do it again. This time I got 3 white. That's crazy. Here we go. How many white am I going to color? 3. So 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to say 3 white plus how many blue? 0 blue equals
2. Let's do something.
Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to go again. Now I want you to watch what I don't want to see happen. Yeah, was that good?
No.
But yeah, I saw dice being thrown like that. First of all, it will break apart our chips because they're glued together. I spent my weekend doing that for you. Second of all, it's loud. And third of all, it takes way too much time. So I don't want to see that. If I see that, then you're going to have to write them on paper because we won't have any chips. And the chips are really important in this tubbing. Very, very important so that you see the numbers as you write them and color them. So should I see them like that? Should I even hear them? What? Listen to mine. Do you really even hear them?
No.
Don't even really hear them. If I were to do this, do you hear them? Should I be throwing them like that? What's going to happen if I throw them like that?
They break.
They break, and then you're not going to be able to use the chips. You're going to have to just reuse paper. That's nowhere what I want us to be doing. Okay? Okay. So this is going to be tubbing. And everyone's going to have their own number. How are you going to know what number you're on? How are you going to know what number you're on?
Well, you're gonna
You're going to know because it's on
chips.
your...
Chips.
No, it's on your necklace. Okay? The one that is not crossed off, the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 are your numbers right now. Some people are working on their 5s already. Some people are working on their 2s or their 3s. Okay? Or their 4s. Actually, 3s, 4s, and 5s is what we're working on. Okay. So everyone's going to have their own necklace. They're going to know what number they're in. That's going to be one center. Now, after you finish that center, that's a have to. You all have to do that every day. Okay? But the next bin during that time slot is going to be this one. And you're going to get to pick what you want to do. Self-check. So you might pick one of these. And so you're going to take about 5 of these, and you're going to take buttons. You're going to take about 5 of these, and you're going to take buttons, and you're going to make the numbers. Okay? So how many buttons am I going to put on this 10 frame? Self-check, my friend. I get that people just left, but I just need your eyes. How many buttons am I going to fill in 10 frames? 8. So I'm going to cover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now the numbers get higher and higher. Some are in the teens. I just happen to have some low ones in my hand right now. So that might be a center that you pick during this time to go quietly and do. Maybe you share it with someone silently. Okay? That's in here. Are you listening? Another center that's in here that you might do are the Play-Doh cards. Play-Doh's in here. Silently, right? It doesn't require you to be talking. Okay? If you're with a partner and you're talking, is that going to work? No, because you can't concentrate. Because I'm going to be busy doing other things, and I need you to be self-directed. Okay, maybe you choose to do the paint stick numbering. Each paint stick clothespin has a number on it. Be careful of the clothespins. I don't want to see them on your body. Do I want to see this? Do I want to see that? No. Because 1, I spent a lot of time making them, and 2, if they break, I don't have any more. Okay? And it's also, they hurt. So you're going to put them in order. One side are numbers in the teens, and one side are numbers 1 through 9. Okay? So you have 10, I think, on that side, too. So maybe you put them in order. Put them in order on this side, flip them over, and do the other color. Okay? Now, if you finish one of these, you get to go back to this tub, put away what you just did, and grab another activity to do quietly somewhere in the room. If you finish that third activity, you're going to pick another activity out of this bin and quietly bring it somewhere and get to work again until the timer goes off. This is a have to. Does everyone have to do this? Yes. Don't say no. Yes. Okay.
No.
When you finish this, your number, you're not doing 3 and 4. If you're number 3, you're only doing 3. If you're number 4, you're only doing 4. If you're number 5, you're only doing 5. You only do it once a day. Okay? So if you're 5, should you be in the 3s? No. If you're 5, you should be in what number? 5s. The yellow mark and red ones. If you're on 5, should you be in this number?
No.
No. What number should you be using in this one? 4s. Okay. Don't be in the wrong bin. It'll make a big difference. Okay. When you finish this have to, you can go into here quietly. Okay. A little bit different than what we've been doing, and I'm excited about this because we're at a point in the year where we can really work on our addition facts. And then when we finish addition, some people will be on to subtraction. Other people will not. We're all going to do different numbers, probably. Okay, so relax if you're not the same number as your friend, because it depends on how I got the information about you. Okay, self-check. Okay, any questions about this that you cannot answer yourself?
How do we find our centers?
I think I already explained that they're going to be up here. Okay, question?
How do you shut those things?
They just open and close. They're just pockets.
how to use the
I'm going to help us today. So today I'm going to help you do that. Can you go ahead and turn us off, please?
Okay.